The 2020 mission to Mars includes a drone called Ingenuity, which can fly through the Martian atmosphere and take pictures, much like drones here on Earth. But here's where it gets complicated. Mars is not Earth. Helicopters fly by rotating propeller blades through the air at high speed. This generates lift strong enough to cause the helicopter to rise through the air. Now watch the paper below as this drone takes off. As the drone spins its propellers faster and faster, can you see the paper shake as the air moves over it? That moving air is part of what is causing the drone to lift off the ground. The problem is that Mars has only about 1% of the air that Earth does. A drone like this one would not generate enough lift to get off the ground in the thin Martian atmosphere. This means Ingenuity needs a much larger propeller, and they are going to have to spin much faster to lift off of Mars. Which means it needs more power than my Earth drone, and bigger batteries add more weight, making it harder to fly. Like my drone here on Earth, Mars Ingenuity gets its power from batteries, but batteries don't work well when they get cold, and the temperatures on Mars can be 100 degrees below zero. That means Ingenuity has to use some of its battery power to keep itself warm. It also has a blanket of insulation that adds to the weight of the craft. All of that means it needs bigger batteries to generate even more power, which again adds more weight, making it harder to fly. Of course, Ingenuity can't be remote controlled from Earth because the signals take too long to travel between the planets, so Ingenuity will be controlled by its own computer and will follow instructions sent up from Earth telling it where to fly and what to photograph. Flying on another planet is complicated. Ingenuity is mainly going up just to test this technology. It's not going to do much science beyond taking some photos. But it will be exciting to see what the machine can do, and to see how creative NASA engineers had to be in order to solve all the problems involved in flying on another world.